Hello everyone, I am Taha M Muhammad, USA, Kurd. Okay, today I am talking about cubic root by hand, and I had it before at Twitter, but I did cancel Twitter, and I have it at opening gates, Cambridge opening gates. I have it, and now let me show you here also at YouTube. Cubic root by hand for any real numbers. Okay, when you have this number 12.81 under root of what? Cubic. And how you find the answer? By hand. Of course, you know the rule of a plus b cube. When you expand it, becomes a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. When I transfer a cube to first side, remain will be this 3a to the 2b plus 3ab to the 2 plus b cube. Okay, you have to know that. Everybody knows that. And then I have the number I will put here without root. See, 12.81. What I do is, from decimal point, I go left, each 3 digit, put underline or make it 3 digits. It was 12, I added 0, will not change the value. Okay, 81, I will make it 810 and continue 0, 0, 0, and another group of zeros, 3 zeros. Why? Because I am talking about the cube. Okay. Then I will ask myself, is 12 cube? No. 11, come down, of course. No. 10, no. 9, 8, yes. 8, the root is 2. This immediately goes to answer. Okay, I got decimal point, put decimal point here. Then, what you do with this 2? This 2 will go there. This is a value. A to the 2, 3 times a. B, I don't know yet. I have to find B. How I find B? Okay, this is important. Because I did find this 2, I go subtract. See, this is 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then I will drop decimal point 810. Okay, I am in second level, second row. Okay, what shall I do? What does mean this 12 here? Okay, and this 4.8 is this one. Divide by 12. This 12 came from where? I have to use this 3a1 square. 3, I told this is a1 square because I am repeating this. First time it's a1, second time a2, but don't worry about that. That's okay. But remember, you have 3a square b, and you don't know b, but you know a. Okay, a is how much? 2. See, 3 a is 2 square. 3a1, it means 3, 2 square. 4 times 3, 12. This 12 moves to bin. See, 1 square, second, and come down here. See, 1 arrow to the right, second arrow to the right, then arrow down, arrow down. That means we are going to divide 4.8 to 12. This will give you what? Of course, 4 divided 12 will be 0. You do that, this division, by calculator or by computer, will give you 0.4. I will put 0.4 here. The B value. A value I know, it is 2. Okay, here. But when I put 4, becomes a number here more than this. Then I will change, ignore 4.4, I will go to 0.3. I put 0.3 here. Did you get what I mean here? You are using this rule. 3a squared b plus 3ab squared is b cubed. A, we know it is 2. But b, because of this division, I got 3. I ignored 4 because 4 was more than that, 4.8. Okay, plug here, substitute here. See, 3 squared times b. 2 times b squared and b cubed will give you what? 4.167. Go arrow right and arrow down. You are ready to subtract now. Subtract and remain as 0.6. That means less than this. That 3 will be correct and goes there after decimal point. Okay? Now I am here. Go to bring this group of 3 and divide this to something. That something is what? Now I know 2.3. My new A is 2.3. See? 2.3. My new A. 3a squared. It means 2.3. Only 3a squared for now. Give you 15 in order you divide. We don't know B yet. This will give you B. This division. 0.04, when I plug here, becomes a number more than that. Then I will reduce that to 3. I put 3 here. It means 0.3 will go there. See, this is 0.3. Then I will use this part and substitute will give you a 0.48. Subtract. Okay, and I told you this goes to. Now what shall I do here? This divide to what? Use those 3 digits. 2, 3, 3. 2.33. Your new A. This will be a 3. Don't worry about that. Okay, and square times 3 give you this number. Goes left, another left, come down. It is here. See the yellow? 16 point. Okay, divide. This will give you this number. Plug this to here. See more than that or less than that in order we subtract or not subtract. Anyway, when I plug it here, 3 to the 2, okay, and gave you this number. The total is equals 0.147, and bring it here in order you subtract. You see this number is less than 16, this is 14. We can subtract, and this will remain. You stop. If you need more information, you can go more. That means 12.81 is 2.339. I know it is not easy, but when you do practice yourself, you are using this rule. First, 3a squared, put here, and 3a squared b, 3ab squared plus b squared, you got a number, put for subtraction. That's it. One for divide or one for subtraction. And thank you so much. Bye bye. But before I to bye bye, let me fix that. Okay. See how I define the cubic root for this number? When you multiply this 3 times, of course, we'll be close to 12 point something, but not exact. Why? Because we have to go to infinity, then we'll be exact. Because this number maybe is not cubic root, not cubic 100%. That's why we have to go use decimals. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.